If you're wondering how to undo in Krita, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 3 easy ways to step backward in your artwork so you can fix mistakes fast and keep painting with confidence. Whether you prefer keyboard shortcuts, on-screen buttons, or the Undo History panel, Krita gives you simple tools to reverse your last action in just a second. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Krita tutorials. Let's jump in. The fastest way to undo in Krita is with a keyboard shortcut. If you're using Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+Z. If you're on a Mac, press Command+Z. That will instantly undo your most recent action. This is the method most artists use because it's quick, easy, and works while you keep drawing without breaking your flow. If you want to undo more than one action, you can keep pressing the shortcut repeatedly. On Windows or Linux, just hold down Ctrl and tap Z as many times as needed. On Mac OS, hold Command and tap Z repeatedly. This lets you step backward through several edits one by one, which is especially useful if you made a few brush strokes, moved a layer, or applied an effect you want to remove. Now let's look at the on-screen Undo button inside Krita. At the top of the interface, look for the Toolbar menu area. You should see an arrow pointing to the left. That left-pointing arrow is the Undo button. Click it once to step back one action. If you need to keep going, click it again and again until you get back to the point you want. This is a great option if you don't want to use the keyboard or if you're working on a tablet and prefer tapping buttons. There's also a more advanced way to undo in Krita using the Undo History Docker. To open it, go to Window, then Dockers, and select Undo History. A panel will appear showing a list of your recent actions. This is really helpful because instead of undoing one step at a time, you can jump straight back to a specific point in your editing process. For example, if you made a few changes and decide you only want to remove one section of work, just click the earlier action in the Undo History list. Krita will jump back to that exact point, which can save a lot of time. This is especially useful when you're doing detailed illustration work, editing layers, or experimenting with effects and want more control over your changes. So to recap, if you want the quickest method, use Ctrl+Z on Windows and Linux or Command+Z on Mac. If you want a visual option, click the left arrow Undo button in the toolbar. And if you need more control, open the Undo History Docker and jump to any earlier step in your workflow. That's how to undo in Krita the easy way. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Krita tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more beginner-friendly editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.